Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to see download history on Google Play Store. Friends, if you want to see the list of recent apps downloaded from Google Play Store, then you need to open Play Store. Now here you need to press on the profile picture. Now here press on manage app and device. Now press on manage. Here it will show list of all the recent apps. So friends, like this you can very easily see list of recent downloaded apps on Google Play. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.